So it's Dave XR Motorcycles here. Quick video on changing brake pads. I've just changed them on my bike. Again, to Sean's major amusement, I find it difficult to actually video as I'm actually doing it. So I'll just run through what I've done. I don't think it'll be any use for anybody anyway. So this is changing the front brake pads on an S1000XR. So here is the caliper, and these are the new brake pads, the red things, the new ones that I've installed. And so what you do is, firstly, if I can get to it, firstly there's this clip thing here, which it just clips around the screw to stop it from coming out. So this is the screw. So you just take that off. You just take that off to begin with, and then it's a 30 torque spit to get this screw out. Unscrew that, and then your this spring thing comes out, and you can get the brake pads out. I then undid these two, that one and that one, the two caliper bolts, took those out to get the caliper off, and you can clean it and push the pistons back, which you can see just here. It's the pistons. There's 4 pistons in each side. So that was it. It's pretty easy. Issues I had was getting this screw back in was a bit of an issue. You have to jiggle around with it a bit. You've got to make sure that your brake pads and the spring thing are all lined up in order to get it back in. But overall, it's a really easy job. Oh, sorry, I also cleaned the inside of the caliper with WD-40 and brake cleaner, and put a bit of grease on the back of the brake pads. Then put it back together, just tighten this up, this one up, and then this screw. And these are 38 Newton meters for the 2 caliper bolts. Okay, so that's it. Relatively easy job, really. Really was. Sorry I didn't do it as I was going along, but it was brake fluid. Oh yeah, sorry, the other thing is, to push the calipers back, you've got to go up to the, if you can see it, there is the reservoir. Let's get up. There's reservoir on the handlebar here. You can see it, really. This thing here is the reservoir. You take the top off so that the fluid can go back, and take a bit of fluid out as well, so you don't spill over. Obviously it's disastrous stuff to spill on paintwork, so don't do that whatever you do. Okay, so it's Dave XR Motorcycles, changing brake pads. Quite an easy job, really. I found it quite easy to do. It's either the ABR festival or ADR festival tonight, so I'm not going there. But anyway, it's a bit far from here in Lincoln. Anyway, okay, so that's my video on changing BMW S1000XR brake pads. And there are some videos on YouTube which I'll warn you about. They say it's for an XR and it's not. The XR's got the bigger brake pads, so it's a full kind of, probably 5 inches long, the brake pads, not little small ones. So ignore the S1000R brake pad video, which reckons it's for an XR as well, but it's not. Okay, so peace out, ride safe, stay crazy. Dave XR Motorcycles signing off.